Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
All this, I trust my wife. Calm down, no. The video is coming. Don't worry.
Surprise!
Baby!
I'm scared for my life.
See how long.
London, my friend.
What's up, my people on a day to the sup? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, I beg, I'm gonna watch it because this is going to be very short, and just subscribe if you're yet to do that, and drop nice comments. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun. The general.
Mama, peace, Mama, peace. I need a crate.
Please, guys. That guy right there said he can go China, go learn fights.
Naimu,
You see that guy bad, dude.
which one be?
Which move bad?
Which one be?
The
Baba, I know understand this move. Short face when you skills face. What's up? Yeah. Good to you.
What be this?
They find trouble. They're not too bitchy.
Ava, I be. I hear say you go China. Baba, drop you. I dey talk to you. I be.
You don't get you.
Anybody dey crazy. You talk to me. I be blow.
Chikwatasu!
Hey!
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
This guy they try, right?
So the way wicked this one, they fear me.
You still find way inside get girlfriend for this fine fight where you fight. What's going on here? See Mumu.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
She fool.
See Mumu in the air fight.
We outside, this bitch eat.
Leave the road. Now don't tell everywhere to Lagos to contact us. Everywhere now go mad to that. Leave the road.
Sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Don't beg me, leave the road. Get out of here. Everywhere now don't turn out to contact. Jesus. Go.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are done with your content. Don't worry. I will pack for you and allow you to do your thing.
I'm done, sir.
You are done? I saw you are doing like this.
I'm doing it challenge.
Eat. You are not eating anything. See. This is Jazzy Burger, the best burger in the whole of Nigeria. Take. You can use it in your video. Just be eating it. In fact, you can even tag Don Jazzy. Maybe you even post yourself. If the burger finish, you can just go to their website, jazzyburger.com, to order hot. Download their app, Jazzy Burger. Jazzy Sweet Burger.
Thank you, sir.
I don't do like that now. Let me have your number, you know.
Look what the hot body can do.
Okay, I'll give you a call, Jazzy Burger. So, fine girl.
We outside, this bitch eat.
Daddy, where is our burger?
That's all.
Don't tell me you have to go
go get burger for the past 10 hours and you still forget to buy it.
You be like.
The worst mistake you fit make for your life as a man, na to lose your future because of woman.
For my house rent though. Others people dey school, they write exam, me I dey here. Which one they do for here now?
You even good as I see you this morning, Talkless. Now my daughter be this. Okay. Now another landlord now pursue am come on for house where they stay for school. Because saying they owe house rent. Jesus. And you there, you dey owe me. If your power don't carry this house now, make you pack all your load, make you leave my house now. Cause now so they do for my daughter.
They pursue my landlord picking come for house.
Waiting this one, Papa.
Baby, kind of bag.
If you touch my bag,
Sorry. Landlord, which school should they go?
Now school of nurse.
That's school of nurse today.
Yes.
Thank God. Me na school of life I did.
I don't understand.
As the pursue come up for school now, she come with it for house. You pursue me come over this house. You don't pursue me come over this life with that.
When you come around this house, you not tell me say you be government worker.
Landlord, they say that government worker is defined for the house now. And me now, I be government picking. If I see work now, I go turn government worker.
wait though, Papa, you look this person finish. Jobless person, you give her your house. You tell you say you be government worker, you accept her like that. See here, early morning people they go work, they here they wash clothes.
Hey, come, no people they talk. No they follow me talk. Say they hear. Say you no get boyfriend.
I don't understand. What's they bring boyfriend matter to this talk?
What bring boyfriend matter? If you say you get boyfriend, say you go to disturb this old man for your house. God have mercy. Now this is your character, I don't make you get boyfriend.
Hey, which kind of rubbish thing you they talk? Now school I say me go study, no be boyfriend I say me go they find out. Now this house now I take the trainer for school. You don't need boyfriend.
You don't tell me say that me they sponsor your daughter for school. If I don't take my work serious since now.
Sponsor who? I don't understand.
Who you they sponsor? You don't sponsor yourself.
Hello, I'm not doing like this. One of my guys was selling Bitcoin today. If they trade that with you coin, I let the fast and reliable. If they don't send me the money like this, I will give you your money.
See. I don't even want to hear any of your story today. Because the landlord will pursue my daughter, come on for her. You know your story. If you know what's good for you now, make you pay my money now. Or else, make you pack all your load. Make you leave this house today.
Landlord, me and you don't take pass like this now, landlord.
Okay.
Landlord, let me ask you one favor. Continue. Since you're picking, don't get a boyfriend. I mean, don't get a girlfriend. Maybe you're picking day together. Maybe things will change for me. Don't forget, say, behind the successful man, there is a successful woman.
I don't understand who you want marry. Look me finish, you want marry. You never even feed yourself, finish. You won't feed me.
Landlord, see the way my wife they shout on me.
The way they see you like this, even though you married 10 wives, I'm not sure say if it is successful. You way they hold me, it's clear they talk say you won't marry my daughter. It be like say it say a joke, I can't joke. My daughter, you know what? May they go. Now today I go bring person we will collect here. Now today, no worry, may
the person go be my house.
No worry, may they go.
Landlord,
may they go, no worry.
Landlord, wait. The money don't enter. Come back, pay.
No, they are tired.
When I daughter buy price, I won't pay you. I did.
You know, 2 years are 500.
Just 500. I mean, I 700.
Customer, how you doing?
This guy not fine, no.
How much for the night?
The night's not 700k.
You say waiting?
700k.
No worry. I never get that camera. If I get them, we'll come back.
Oh, guy, if you don't pay afford them, you don't pay afford me. 500k last.
500k just for one night?
Last.
I never feel afford you, no worry. Thank you.
Okay, me I cheap.
You set. How much for the night?
400k.
Never stay for that.
The money too high now, 400k.
No, still cheap.
No worry. I go, move to the next one.
God, no mind them. Me, I cheap pass all of them. They're just 20k.
20k? Yes. You still cost.
Me,
I defend waiting no go to.
I say now 400, me, I say now 20k. Come on now.
And no worry, you cost. No, come on, move to the next one.
I bet they go, Jare.
I will go. My type. Black is beauty.
Thank you.
How much for the night?
You can use out that man who made those cases sick. You just give me one Capri-Sun. Before you go out. I swear.
Capri-Sun.
One Capri-Sun, you don't get all these things.
Capri-Sun with straw. Don't worry. I go add Indomie.
With egg.
Indomie egg.
To be continued. No, sorry.
Good evening. Are you in a relationship?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. Agkaay. Could it be Agkaay trying to disguise?
I love you.
Camera. Khaki. Lexus. No.
You're not in a relationship?
No. Are you Agkaay?
Agkaay? I don't understand.
Don't worry.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No.
I want to spoil you.
Really?
Yes, I want to take you out. I don't want anybody to come and harass me.
No.
Okay, you know what?
Yes.
Give me. I'm giving you a princess treatment today.
Wow.
You go cry.
Black roses, right?
Yeah.
This guy don't get sense.
Pretty like a flower.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
All this, I trust my wife. Calm down, no. The video is coming. Don't worry.
Surprise!
Baby!
I'm scared for my life.
See how long?
I don't damage.
Why this guy doing
What's going on here?
Babe, there's something I would like to tell you. I don't think this is working anymore.
So what's going to happen?
I want us to break up. I've tried all means to make sure that this relationship thing works.
So is this the best way to do it? We have been dating for the past 3 years.
Babe, you don't understand. We are not compatible. I asked my mom. He said we are not compatible. Nothing can work between us.
Sorry. Madam, you say you go pay.
I'll pay for what?
Pepper soup.
What's my wife's husband?
Ify, check your WhatsApp. I sent you something.
Okay.
Chief! My own chief! My husband!
It's not possible.
My dear, come to Let's Feast restaurant. Now. May you catch her with your 2 eyes.
Thank you, babe. You know what? Order for anything, eh? Chief will pay. That's his punishment. Order for anything. You can eat anything you want.
Jesus.
Eh? You hear me?
You will be the wife.
They come.
You with another guy.
Babe, who is that?
Who is your babe? You that cannot take care of me.
Jesus.
And look at the kind of phone you are using.
One man begin.
Women.
Good life. Money.
Eat, and after eating, I will eat you.
I will do.
Hey! You not be wrong.
Chief! My husband! Is that the meeting you told me that you're having?
Oh my! Cut. Cameraman, you get that shot.
I got it, sir, but she interrupted the shot.
You see yourself, eh? I told you that this your chingon gossip you are always listening to. You put us over in our marriage, eh?
What's what I do for you?
What is wrong with you now? If not for this, me and this my friend, eh? Skills, that is doing a little move here, and you're adding another thing to it. What is wrong with you? I hate this, so in fact I'm leaving.
Chief, please, my husband, please, my baby, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Jesus.
Next time I'll change it for you. I go and wait for me in the car. Eh?
Okay.
Go.
The work is done.
Madam, you have not paid for your bill. It's just 500k. Even other takeaway and material.
Jesus. I'm coming. Let me just get in front there.
Madam, this will not be check and beer now. How do you like to pay? Card or transfer?
Oh my!
Okay.
Don't worry, you will regret your life.
The king of the north, I've come with my precious daughter to give you her hand in marriage.
Governor Amuneke, I appreciate your kind gestures, but as you can see, I already have 3 wives, and I'm not ready to marry more. As you know, my first wife here, Alhaja Ngozi, was given to me by her father, Governor Mba, from ACNP party. And my second wife was also given to me by her father, Minister Taiwo, from CDC party. My last wife was also given to me by her father, Senator Umar, from DCCP party. As you can see, Governor Amuneke, my house is already in a state of amalgamation. In fact, we already have a coalition, and adding your daughter to it will move it from coalition, wallahi, to confusion.
And each of your fathers will come for favor during election. I am a man of integrity, dignity, till infinity. I'm only here because of my daughter's unwavering, heart-pumping love she has for you. As a matter of fact, whenever she hears of you, at the mention of your name, she laughs like a mad person. She's always happy.
Well, if you are sure that you're not giving me your daughter's hand in marriage because of your political ambition, I won't say no, because your daughter is a beautiful woman, and I will.
She don't come out.
What was that? What was that you did in there?
Let's see the end now.
The closest opportunity I got to connect with the north, you ruined the opportunity.
And if I ask you, I'm going to mention love. That love, what can work on? I gave you everything that you wanted. You went to the best school. I sponsored you to your here. And just a small opportunity you have to return that favor to your father. You are ruining everything. How do I become a senator? How do I become the president without the connection of the north? Yeah? If you know what is good for you, you know how life works. The frowning of a he-goat does not stop it from being priced in the market. You are going back there and you are getting married to King of the North.
Father, how wicked can you be? You chose a political career over my happiness. I will not marry that man. I will not.
Let's see the
end. King of the North, I brought my daughter's hand, rope through her leg to her hand in marriage.
God have mercy.
Just draw her attention. Draw her attention. Let's see the edit.
Governor Amuneke's daughter has officially gotten married to the King of the North. The couple are said to have been in love since their childhood. The smile on her face when she sighted the king in the palace was unmatched. What a match made in heaven.
Blood of God.
This one na drip on drip. What do you mean I want to finish your food? No, I want to enjoy the food. Catch it in this car. My friend, I want to enjoy this food. People of Nigeria, we are.
Hello, young man. My name is Moses for MWSM Company.
Okay. Your name now Moses from MWSM Company.
I believe you guys would like to make more money. You invest 10,000, you gain 100,000 in 2 days.
Wait Allah look. Wait 10,000 naira to collect 100,000 naira every 2 days.
Exactly. In just 2 days.
Apa, relax. Good. Okay.
You don't chop. Okay, I never chop.
So you never even chop self?
I never chop.
Allah Sarki. You know what?
I'm finished money to pass.
This one is 700. Collect.
Okay, thank you. Hey, okay, thank you.
Make sure you chop.
I go chop. Okay, thank you.
Don't be trouble. With your shoe like gobbling heads. Wait 10,000 naira to collect 100,000 naira every 2 days. Wow, monkey. Come on.
Jesus!
This is a play.
This is a serious Monday.
Serious Monday. Samsung, Apple. These guys they're too disgrace Apple. I don't know why. These guys they disgrace Apple too much. I don't know why. You see where you fling Apple go.
This one now. Why you think so bad like this? Because that's the way you have style, don't say. Who's got aggressive to this one now?
Calm down. Go take her gently now.
I not do again, I beg. Now not for one, I cannot say we can't do wrestling. Now do your session like that aggressive. I'm not saying you 100 kilos. Come back. So now we'll do peaceful one. Give me that.
Carry the money, Jack.
Jesus!
Come.
Jesus!
Come.
I trust you.
Come.
They play this shit.
Do for horror for horror. Spread the leg.
Not joke I did now.
I'm not a joke, I'm not serious. I wear this garment at the city.
Na costume. Wait my pull on.
No pull on, spread your legs. Spread
You know that way you did so. Now cut now you join.
They don't say 100
Viewers,
kilos, still do another.
let's watch this video.
Yeah, Achalugo. Choke me. Choke me. Down below. Harder below. Yeah. That's my love language. Harder.
Look, just wait.
This evening you will die.
This guy don't think get sense again for this life, I tell you. Now person girlfriend, person wife you go meet. It's they worry you. Anyway, people, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's the favorite part of the video? Let's have right in the comment section. And guys, please, in case you are coming across to my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out, my people. Check them out. You love them. You really enjoy them. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.